Hi, this is Dr. Rajesh Khanna, Associate Professor in Department of EEE from Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. So in this session, my discussion is about the basics of power electronics. So power electronics is one of the contemporary subject of electrical engineering which has seen a lot of advancement in recent times, and also it has impacted human life in almost every sphere. So this particular power electronics is a technical field which is dedicated to study, analyze, construct and maintain electronic circuits capable of controlling electric energy flow. Moreover, this particular power electronics refers to the interdisciplinary subject with electrical engineering that deals with a design and also control and also a conversion of power of its electric form. So this related field includes devices and materials, control and system, and even in power and energy. Power electronics refers to the process of controlling the flow of current and voltage and converting into a form that is suitable for user loads. On this basics, we have a types of interfaces such as a DC to DC converter, which will converting of DC to DC, and a second one is a rectifier, which is AC to DC conversion, and third one is inverter, the conversion of DC to AC, and the fourth one is a cycloconverters, which will be converting AC to AC. So on this we can have a power electronic converter components, that is particularly of a semiconductor switches, which includes a diodes, a MOSFETs, IGBTs, SCR and a triac, and at last it is GTO. So this power electronics, which is used to change the characteristics of an electrical power for switching into its a particular application. So for that purpose, we are using about some of the energy storage elements such as inductors and capacitors, and moreover we prefer other components such as a transformers and also a control circuit. Now moving into basic concepts of power electronics, that is controlling the flow of electric energy by switching electronic circuit in what the power electronic is all about. For that purpose, we are preferring of energy storage. In a particular electric circuit, we are going to analyzing the circuit, the state of each energy storage element which will be contributing to the overall system. Hence, there is only one state variable which will be associated to each energy storage element. So on the particular of preferring this particular electrical circuit, the energy is stored into two fields. One is electric field and second one is a magnetic field. So power electronic interfaces for hybrid DC and AC linked microgrids. So the microgrid is an integrated energy delivery system that consists of interconnected distributed energy. See, these are the distributed energy resources. So with the help of this microgrid, we can able to control the loads, and also we can able to operate in a parallel with or isolated from the main power grid. Unlike normal electronics, which uses current and voltage to carry information, the particular power electronics which will carry a power. This is why the main task of power electronics is to control and convert electric power from one form to another. On that referring, we have a conversion of AC voltage to DC, and DC to AC conversion, and DC to DC conversion, and AC to AC conversion. So in this AC to DC voltage conversion will be referred as rectification. So DC to AC conversion will be referred as inverter section, and DC to DC conversion can be made to referring as choppers. Like that, AC to AC conversion can be referred to as AC voltage regulators. As it is clear from the above discussion slides, here we are having a power electronic converters and controllers along with some interfacing unit. The power converters change one form of electrical power into some other form with the use of power semiconductor devices. While these power converters are the one that are responsible for producing control signals relative to turn on or turn off the switching devices present in the circuit. So this particular converter will have a desired signal and a frequency that will provide a complete operation of the system. For that, we are preferring of using a rectifier, inverter, chopper and a cyclo converters. Regarding the rectifiers, which may be classified as uncontrolled rectifier and a controlled rectifier. Further, the controlled rectifier are divided into semi-controlled rectifier and a fully controlled rectifiers. This particular uncontrolled rectifier circuit are to be built only with diodes. Likewise, your fully controlled rectifier circuits are to be built with SCRs. So both diode and SCR are used in semi-controlled rectifier circuit. Regarding the advantages of your power electronics converters, it will be highly reliable, less loss of power, it will be efficient and fast response and longer life, and even in smaller size and less in weight. Regarding the application of your power electronics, preferably it has enormous usage of your power electronic devices in various technical fields like industrial automation, energy generation and energy conversion, and even in environmental pollution control. Here I have been pointed out some of the major area of future expansion, that is conventional car and even in automobile ignition system. Hope we had a small discussion of power electronics. Thank you all. Have a great day.